my channel. So today I will be doing a meal prepping video. I'm going to be showing you guys one easy way to prepare your meals, and I will be sharing one recipe with you guys too. The goal is going to be to share a meal prepping video every Monday, so if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe if you're interested in more videos like this. And for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is LEXYMENDESZ, and I love to do beauty videos, fitness videos, and just vlogs about my life. And if that's something you're interested in, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video so I could teach you my tips and tricks on meal prepping. So let's go. Hey guys, so as you can tell, I am starting off with some chicken breast. I took off the fat, as you guys can tell, and I chopped it up into little pieces. Okay, so as you guys can tell right here, it's a full chicken breast. I'm just going to be cutting off the white part at that little flap right there. Next, I will be dicing up the cilantro and adding it to my chicken for flavor. And I also will be adding some lemon and some seasoning. That's if you want to go ahead and add it, you can add it. I like it. You don't have to. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just pour my zucchini and cauliflower into this pan. It's especially made for steaming. So I love the way it does my actual vegetables. It leaves it so good. Next, I will be making some white rice. Next, I will go ahead and take some chicken from the container that you saw in the last clip where I diced up the chicken breast. So basically, what I like to do is keep the rest of my chicken in that container and then just cook it every day as I go. Sometimes I cook for three servings in one day, or it just depends. I like this method because it's already seasoned. All you have to do is throw it on the pan and cook it, and it just makes it that much easier. And the same with the rice. I keep it in a container and I heat it up, and it's just so easy. So that's one of my tips. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and add the vegetables and the rice. Like I said, I basically keep a rice in a container. My vegetables, after I steam them, I put them into a container as well. And then I separate them into containers for the amount of times I'm going to eat in a day. Like with me, I work 8-hour shifts, so I take whatever I'm preparing to work. And it just makes it so much easier because not only do I have a meal set and ready, but it's just so freaking easy, and it saves me a lot of time. All I have to do is pop it in the microwave and bam, done. And you can also cook it all at one time, but I personally don't like it like that because, well, at least not with the chicken, because I like it fresh. So I just throw it into the pan that same day and then just reheat the vegetables and rice. But yeah, so once I'm done cooking the chicken that same day, I go ahead and I just toss it on top of my rice and vegetables, close it up, and later on just reheat it again. Like I said, you can go ahead and cook all of your chicken in that container all at one time and just reheat everything. But like I said, I like my chicken done that same day. So you could pick whatever works for you and then just choose. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will be a new video with a new recipe next Monday. So basically the tip and trick of the day or of the video is basically just cook all your rice all at one time, and then just steam your vegetables all at one time, put them in a container and just separate them as you go. I feel like that's helped me tremendously with my meal prepping. And like I shared in the voiceover before, that I like to personally cook my chicken that same day. It tastes better for me. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this video, like I said, just give it a big thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.